Most people think all new construction homes in Cape Coral all look the same, but this one breaks the mold. Tucked away on a quiet street in a fast-growing Northwest Cape Coral neighborhood surrounded by other beautiful new homes, this 3-bedroom plus a den, 2-bath home delivers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and location. Now, the moment you walk through the double glass doors, you're greeted by a soaring tray ceiling, elegant tile floors throughout, and an open floor plan that feels bright, modern, and inviting. The kitchen is a true masterpiece, a large quartz island, soft close shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and pendant lighting that makes it feel both functional and high-end. The open layout connects perfectly to the great room and dining area, making it ideal for entertaining or just relaxing at home. Up front, the den with double glass doors gives you flexibility, perfect for a home office, hobby space, or even an extra bedroom. The primary suite offers that spa-like feel everyone wants with 2 walk-in closets, a freestanding soaking tub, and a walk-through shower with dual shower heads. And when you step outside, you'll find a large lanai with southern exposure, tropical ceiling fans, and a built-in summer kitchen, the perfect setup for your future pool and private outdoor oasis. Now, this home was built with quality in mind, impact windows and doors, a finished garage, and thoughtful details throughout. Location-wise, you're just minutes from Chiquita, Burnt Store Road, and Pine Island corridors, giving you quick access to shopping, dining, golf, and nearby boat ramps. Whether you're a snowbird looking for your Florida retreat or relocating to start your next chapter, this home offers incredible value in one of the most desirable parts of Cape Coral. Welcome in, I'm Barry Cessna, your Cape Coral Waterfront Realtor. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, relocating, or retiring, if you'd like more information about this home right behind me, call, text, or click the link in the description to schedule your free strategy call. Let's head inside, because once you see the kitchen, you'll understand why this home hits differently.